Good morning, class. Welcome to day 4 of your graphic design unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. Your learning goal is and has been to plan and create a graphic design advertisement using visual organizational strategies that clearly communicates information or ideas using digital media technology. So your digital technology media is Schoology, not Schoology, I'm sorry, Sketchbook. You're using Sketchbook and you are creating an advertisement and of course using those organizational strategies to make sure that the ideas of your advertisement clearly expressed to the viewer. So your central question is, how do artists and designers create works of art or design that effectively communicate information or ideas? So the essential question is asking, how do we do what the learning goal is describing? How do we actually communicate the information or ideas in our advertisement clearly? And the answers can be found in the video on the day 1 folder, or in the day 1 folder. It's called The Fundamentals of Graphic Design. Everything you need to know is in there. So please watch that for help with this. For this essential question, you will need to answer this for your learning log. And then lastly, vocabulary is unity and communication. Those are 2 words for our entrance ticket today. So for our task list, we're first going to watch the unity and communication video. That'll give you the answers for today's entrance ticket questions. Then, once you finish watching that, just complete your entrance ticket by answering the questions, what is unity and what is communication? Again, all the answers are in the video above. And lastly, just continue working on your graphic design and submit a screenshot of your work to today's student progress. If you finish early, please submit it under the day 6 folder under the graphic design final project. And if you have already finished early, please make sure you submit some kind of free art drawing to each day's student progress. You can still get those 3 points. And the only reason I bring this up because this is the one unit where students typically tend to finish early or earlier than most other units. So please make sure you keep submitting free art photos for your student progress. And then if you have finished early, make sure you use your extra time to catch up on any missing assignments or to spend this time to help bring your grade up if you so choose. All right, so that's everything I have for this morning. Please make sure you complete what's on the task list, and I look forward to seeing your graphic design advertisements and how they have grown from the previous day's submission. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon in the Unity Communication video. All right, bye.